Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am showing you exactly how to add content with blocks using the Squarespace 7.1 Fluid engine. Let's get right to it. First, open up your Squarespace site and jump into the page editor by clicking Edit in the top left corner. Fluid Engine uses a flexible grid system, meaning you are no longer restricted by strict layout rules and can place elements exactly where you want them. Next, hover over the specific section where you want to add your content. In the top left corner of that section, you will see a button that says Add Block. Click that and a menu will pop up showing every single content option available, from text and images to buttons and forms. Then just click on the block you need. It will automatically drop into the top left corner of your grid. From there, simply click and drag the block to move it anywhere within that section. You can also click and drag the edges or corners of the block to stretch and resize it perfectly to your liking. Finally, do not forget to check your mobile layout. A massive advantage of Fluid Engine is that you can arrange your mobile view completely independently from your desktop view. Click the mobile icon in the top right corner of the editor, drag your blocks into the perfect order for phone screens, and hit Save. If this quick guide helped you master the Fluid Engine today, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next one.